Hello, this is Eric with Ohio Web Pro Design. Today with this video I'm going to show you how to set up Outlook to check your email with our website hosting. If you have a Windows computer with Microsoft Office installed, you may decide to use Outlook to check your email. Okay, right here you can see I have Outlook open. If this is the first time you've opened up Outlook, it may pop up a wizard for you to put in the information. It's going to be basically the same. If you already have an email address set up, you can go up here to Tools and go to Account Settings, and right here in the email you'll put New. Put your name. This is the name that everybody will see along with your email address, and your email address. And for this example, I'm going to be using the powerdigital.net domain that I have hosted with ohiowebpro.com. Okay, and then you'll put in your email password and repeat. Okay, and we want to check the manually configure server settings. If we don't do that, Outlook will try to guess them. And we'll set up an internet email that's already selected. Hit next. Okay, and we'll go here to the server information. Right here you see POP3 is already selected. IMAP will work if you know how to set that up. You can use that. Things work a little bit different. For now, use POP3. Okay, the incoming mail server is going to be your domain name, in my case powerdigital.net, with mail in front of it. Mail.powerdigital.net, and your outgoing is going to be the same. And then for your username, you will put in your email address, and the password. Okay, and we want to leave the remember password checkbox checked so we don't have to type it in every time. Okay, and before we test, we're going to go to more settings. Okay, on the Outlook outgoing server tab, we want to check this box here. My outgoing server requires authentication, and it uses the same as the incoming mail server. Click OK, and now we can test. Okay, right there we didn't have any problems logging into the incoming or sending a test message. So we can close that, next, finished, and closed. And we can go up here to our inbox, send receive, and you can see the test message that was sent. Okay, there is a chance that you won't be able to send mail, but you'll be able to receive it. If that happens, don't panic. It's not that any settings are set wrong. It's because your internet service provider blocks that. And the reason they block that, if you have a residential account, they usually block that so spam can't be sent from your internet connection. And what they want you to do is use their servers when you're sending mail. So if you can't send mail, go back up here to Tools, Account Settings. Now we're going to edit, click on it and click Change, and right here in the outgoing mail server we'll want to change that. And what we're going to do is use your internet service provider's setting here. You can get that mainly from their website. You contact them, call them, they'll give you that. If you have an email address from them already that you use, you may already know this. I have Suddenlink, so Suddenlinks is smtp.link.net, and then down here, let's see, on more settings, we'll go there and go back to the outgoing server tab. Now here we're going to click this button to where we can put a different username and password for the outgoing. And this is your internet service provider's email address that they gave you and the password. If you have an email address that you've already been using, you may know it. If not, you may have to call them and have another one set up. And you use their password. Make sure this is checked. That is unchecked. Hit OK. Next. Finished. You can close that. And you can try to send and receive again. And if you don't get any errors, then that was the problem. It's pretty common if you have a residential internet connection that they block that anymore to fight against spam. And that is how to set up Microsoft Outlook to work with our website hosting. Thank you.